We started off great. You were and still are the sweetest man I have ever been with. Hatid sundo, sweet words for reassurance and security. You were respectful sa family ko, most especially sa parents ko. You were understanding and sensitive sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan at nararamdaman ko. If naging selfish ako, I could have kept you here with me. Because with you, I feel safe. But safe is a description of our relationship that is less than what you deserve. Habang minamahal mo ko, nawawala yung excitement ko. Napapalitan siya ng takot. It's too fast, too serious, too real for me. Natakot ako na ito na to. Natapos na yung freedom ko. Na kailangan ko nang magplano ng future with you. Na kailangan ko nang i-give up yung independence ko and be responsible for someone else's future. I was not ready. So pumiglas ako sa pagkakakapit mo. I asked for space. Pero sabi mo nga, hindi ikaw yung tipong nagbibigay ng space. Ikaw yung tipo ng taong nagpapalaya. Nanaig yung takot ko. I want you. I still love you that time. But I can't accept na wala na yung freedom ko, so I said yes. But now that you're gone, I feel empty. Now that you're gone, I feel lonely. Totoo nga yung sabi nila. You'll know how much you have kung kailan ka nag-decide to set them free. That was the story of regret ni Giselle. Well, ganun talaga, my love, no? Darating ka talaga sa pagkakataon na you'll be faced with an important decision in your life. And mararamdaman mo na you are not yet up to it. Na parang there's just so many things that you want to experience. And when things are getting too real for you, too serious, para siyang box na nagko-close in on you. Pinipuwersa kang maging mature. Pinipuwersa kang maging rational. When at that moment in time, you just want to be careless. You just want to be free. You just want to live your life and just enjoy whatever you have. But the thing is, Giselle, he never asked you to give up everything or anything for that matter. He was just loving you the best way he know how. Inalagaan ka lang naman talaga niya eh. Pinakita lang niya sa'yo na seryoso siya. He was not rushing you to decide on things na ito na to, Giselle. It's time for you to decide. Do you want to be with me forever? Kasi if you do, eto na yung plano. Wala naman siyang ginawang ganun eh. Hindi ka naman yan niletanyahan ng plano in life. Taking your decision away from you. Again, minahal ka lang niya. But I do understand na sometimes if it's up in your face, right in front of you, parang natataranta ka. And you feel inadequate or hindi mo deserve yung whatever it is in front of you. So, alam mo yun, parang kang nag-cold feet even before ka ikasal. Parang nanginig yung kalamnan mo na parang, wait, I'm receiving this much, but am I capable of giving as much? So you start to question if my way pa para back off a little, to rethink yung mga ginagawa mo kung tama pa. But having that option removed from you, kasi this time you cannot just ask for space, kasi some people doesn't like that. Ako, I don't like that. Sa isang relationship, yung sasabihin mo sa akin, hihingi lang muna ako ng space, ng time. No. It's either you break up with me or we'll figure things out. There's no in between. Yun din yung mentality ko eh. Ayoko ng space, di ako naniniwala dyan. It's either we break up or pag-uusapan natin yan. So, you wanted that option pero the option does not exist. So, para hindi ka magkamali, sa fear mong makasakit at sa pag-succumb mo sa fear na if you do continue, it will be the end of the line for you. You said yes to setting the person you love free. So, I do understand if yung kawalan niya nag-iwan ng malaking butas sa puso mo. Because this guy made you feel like a princess, valued you, give you so much importance, na tipong hindi mo kailangan na umamot ng atensyon, umamot ng pagmamahal, umamot ng effort, because this person will just give it to you because gusto niya, because mahal ka niya. So, yung emptiness na yon, it made you lonely, it made you realize na, nagkamali ako. Nagpadaig ako sa takot ko, nagpadaig ako sa part ko ng pagiging overthinker. Na kahit wala pa naman yung problema, prinoblema ko na. Na kahit wala pa naman yung sitwasyon, nataranta na ako. Nag-decide ako ahead of time. Sometimes talaga dadating tayo sa pagkakataon na yon. Now, we wish we could go back so we can stop ourselves from overthinking things. Na sana napigilan natin yung sarili nating mag-come up with a rash decision nang hindi natin lubos na pinag-isipan. Nagpadaig tayo sa emosyon. Hindi tayo gumamit ng pagiging logical or pagiging rational. Pero alam din naman siguro natin, not only you, Giselle, but everybody, na there are just some decisions na we cannot take back. Andun tayo sa moment na we just have to live with it. Kung siya yung magiging totga mo, yung the one that got away, so be it. We cannot force someone to take us back. We cannot beg someone to love us again. Hindi tayo pwedeng magmanikluhod sa isang tao na yakapin tayo ulit kung tayo yung pumiglas palayo sa kanila. So magpasalamat na lang tayo na once in our lives, may dumaang taong nagbigay sa atin ng sobrang importansya. Magpasalamat tayo na nakaramdam tayo ng ganong klaseng pagmamahal. And let's just hope, if we really love that person, that one day, someone will walk into their lives and will love them just as much. Better than we ever did. Nung mga panahong nasa atin pa sila. Ganun talaga, Giselle eh. Minsan, this life has a funny way of teaching us a lesson. Siguro next time, pag nagmahal ka, huwag ka maging overthinker. If there's something that you just don't understand, you just have to communicate with your partner. Especially with things like that. Yung getting serious, settling down, those are the things that you can talk about freely with someone that understands who you are and knows who you are. But you have to communicate. Do not decide in behalf of them. Do not jump into conclusion. Kasi that will always just end up failing you. Yung ganong klaseng behavior, yung ganong klaseng mannerism, yung ganong klaseng pag-i-evaluate mo ng nararamdaman at sitwasyon mo sa isang relasyon. Let's just wish him the best in life, Giselle. That's the most we can do to a person we love and to the person who once loved us way more than what we actually deserve. Claro? Claro.